Hey everyone, I'm standing in front of this beautiful new 2025 Ford Expedition, and today I just made a quick video so I can show you where your block heater is. It's getting a little colder outside where I live, so it's always a nice thing to do is plug in your vehicle, and on this one it's really easy to locate. It's right here. You'll see it's tied up. So it should be all clipped in here, and then this end comes off and you can plug an extension cord into that. Now, if you don't see this sitting here, it may be because your vehicle does not have a block heater. And if you go and check the option sheet on your vehicle, and we go and take a look at this one that I have out right here, you can see it has a Charge 375 engine block heater. They could be ordered without, but if yours does have one, it'll be on the option sheet and it's located right there. If you don't know what the block heater does, essentially it does just what it sounds like. It's plugged in, it's a little heater that plugs into the block and it warms up the block because the oil in there, when it gets colder than -5 degrees Fahrenheit or -15 degrees Celsius, can be very hard to turn over. Now, when it gets cold like that, your battery can also lose up to 30% of its cold cranking amps, especially if your battery is not fully and healthy to begin with. If it gets really cold out, it's going to be really hard on your battery and hard for it to turn over your motor when it's sitting there very cold with cold oil. So do your battery a favor, plug in your block heater, and I don't know why I'm showing you that over there. Plug in your block heater here, and it's gonna help out with your battery and your engine. Also save you on fuel. It's gonna heat up the cab faster, and just a bunch of really great things. So now you know what I know. Do me a huge favor, click subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and hit that bell icon if you wanna see any more content like this, and give us a big thumbs up if you like this video. Also throw in the comments section if you have any questions or anything, and I'll be happy to answer those for you. Thanks, and have a great day, everybody. There you go.